I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted your Snapchat stories and want to recover them, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you reload into the account where the stories were deleted. Step 2. Go to Memories. Swipe up from the camera screen to access Memories. This is where all your saved stories and snaps are stored. Step 3. Check for deleted stories. In the Memory section, look for the Stories tab. If you've saved your stories before deleting them, they should be here. Step 4. Use the My Data feature. Before starting recovery, use the sro.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure verification details are ready. Step 5. Download and review data. Once you receive the email with your data, download it and check the contents. Look for any saved stories that might have been included. Remember, if you haven't saved your stories before deleting them, recovery might not be possible. Always consider saving important snaps to avoid losing them in the future. Good luck!